1 million real views and make our first $1,000 online.
AI-generated content is completely dominating the game right now.
This is regret ever.
Because this AI side hustle is making people only $3,000 a day. It is a 100% AI-generated influence. And the creator of this AI influencer made $366 every 24
My first $7,000 week, aka we made $1,000 every single day. Over the last 2 weeks, we finally hit this goal.
I know you got confused, so was I, but trust me, making your first $10,000 using AI is very simple. You just have been told in a complex way, wait, who am I to you? I am Earnedge, your secret partner to money making. I have grown several channels and accounts on YouTube and Instagram. Before this growth, I have tried and failed several times, exploring hundreds of videos of different mentors, leading to no definite direction, but you don't have to face this. Because I have got to share my secret path to make money consistently. My belief is, there's no luck and you need right knowledge of your work. But one of the easiest ways to make money online is influence other people. I know you didn't understand. Let me show you my 7-step systematic plan. The first step is to find a perfect niche. Don't waste your time in trying hundreds of niches because I'm going to outline the best 5 niches for you. Make money online. Luxury cars, NBA, traveling, health and wellness, and in this video, we shall dive deep into the first niche, make money online, because this niche have high CPM rate. For the knowledge of first-time viewers, CPM is your actual earnings per 1,000 views, including all revenue sources. The foremost reason to choose this niche is that it's evergreen. It'll never go out of trend. There are several channels that are literally blowing up like AI Guy, How to AI, and Digital Income Project. You must have come across them in your feed. They are making thousands of dollars by just influencing others to make money online using AI. To help you post your first video, I will share the list of some engaging titles at last, and so make sure you are connected till the end. The next step is branding. Give your niche a new outlook with a personal touch. Find out unique colors using Color Hunt and Coolers. For best fonts, you can use Google Font and Dayfont. Branding your name can be a crucial role as well. If you have some idea of any name in your head, that's great. But if you're in confusion, then you may check out ChatGPT. It offers amazing ideas and it's completely free. Now design your logo and banner from Canva. Keep it simple because the great artist Leonardo da Vinci once quoted,
"Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication."
And now, the most interesting step which will make you stand out from others is analyze your niche, just like. Before starting Earnedge, I explored and analyzed my competitor channels and discovered they are all telling about money and AI. So, you can also find the content which is in demand using very simple tool vidIQ. All you have to do is just open vidIQ, go to keywords, and it's totally free. Enter your title that you want to create video for, then there will appear a wheel which you can analyze. To show you, here I entered my title, How to Make Money with AI, and its search volume is high, but competition is medium, so I choose it for my first video. You can also do same way. The next step is script writing. You should be clear about what you have to tell your audiences like. I have made bullet points of the content I need to explain in my video. A solid script ensures you don't forget important details, keeps your tone consistent, and helps avoid those awkward moments while filming. Plus, it makes editing way easier since you've already laid out what needs to be said and done. In short, a good script is what makes your videos flow better and feel more professional. For instance, how? Do you remember the story of Romeo and Juliet and that of Titanic? Till date, it's because of their storyline got imprisoned in your mind. You need to create similar impact on your audience. Next, you have to make your channel exquisite with a unique voice. What if I told you to focus on your creativity and let AI handle the rest? Isn't it game changer? But everything comes at a price, so invest wisely and get yourself an AI voiceover and avatar. Use 11 Labs and make your customized voice there. This will give you a commercial license which guarantees monetization on YouTube. I'll not explain further on. Because this journey of voice is a story in itself. If you're interested to know in detail, let me know in the comment section. Alright, so you've got your AI voiceover, and now it's time for the editing. This is where the magic happens, and your raw footage and audio come to life. Editing is not just about cutting and pasting clips together. It's about refining your content, making it flow smoothly, and ensuring that it resonates with your audience. Whether you're working on a YouTube video, a social media post, or any kind of digital content, the editing process can either make or break your project. If you're just starting out, don't worry, I've got your back. And if you're looking for a solid reference, Joey Edits is a fantastic editor to check out. I'm literally a huge fan of his work. But let's not forget about CapCut, another great tool for beginners like yourself. This app is incredibly user-friendly and has a bunch of features that make editing feel less like a chore and more like fun. I personally use it a lot, and it's been a game changer in terms of streamlining my workflow. From adding cool transitions and effects to perfectly syncing your voiceover with visuals, CapCut is full of helpful tools to elevate your editing game. I've shown you the light, now the path is yours to walk. The last step towards your finishing is upload. You are just single press away from the change, so make sure you do it in the right way with the right settings and an engaging title. The biggest mistake you could make is to go out of tune from your theme. The greatest of the scripts are screwed if they are not presented well. The only things that make your video catchy and worth clicking are the thumbnail and title. So, take this part very seriously. As promised, I have mentioned the list of 20 engaging titles in the description box. You may go and check it. Did you notice? I explained you the whole idea of making money online, and I am sure you got it now. What I'm telling to you, never forget, you are the money maker.